Hi, I'm Sandra Green. I currently teach band and orchestra at 4 elementary schools in Colorado Springs at the Colorado Springs School District 11. I've taught for over 20 years, and I've taught in Oakley and Kinsley, Kansas before moving to Colorado. I'm currently working on a master's degree in educational administration for an elementary principal licensure. I enjoy the outdoors of Colorado, and I will be taking in some hiking and camping this summer along the Pikes Peak region. Um, and I look forward to this class and learning more information and meeting each one of you. So thank you for watching my video and have a great day. Thanks. Bye-bye.